Hi, Islam.
Hi, how are you?
Okay. What about you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, you are in Egypt.
Yeah,
A good place to live. Egypt, nice place to live.
yes, Egypt is very good place to live because people here are very helpful. We love each other. But the economic situation here isn't good enough to live a good life. But
Okay,
okay, I love Egypt because of their people.
okay, the people. Okay,
Yeah,
no problem.
okay.
Okay, no problem. Oh, sorry for the delay. I had a class finishing just literally 7 minutes ago. Okay, okay, tell me, Islam, about your problem with English
I have
or problems.
Okay, I have. My English isn't good enough. I haven't a lot of words, so I struggle sometimes to express in what in my mind, and I have a big problem with grammar. So I don't know what should I do to improve my English.
Right. Okay. So you need better vocabulary,
Yeah,
better grammar precision. You need better confidence,
yeah, yeah.
fluency. You need to be able to express what you think better. Okay. Is that in conversation only or in writing also?
In writing also. I
In
think,
writing also.
yeah, I think I'm good. I'm just good in reading because I read a lot of books, English books, and my studying is by English. So I read all my studying books by English. But in writing and in speaking and in listening, I'm not good enough.
Okay. And okay, are you a student? Do you work, Islam?
Yeah, both. I work as air conditioning technician and I am studying software engineering in the same time. Full
Okay.
time job and full time studying in the same time.
Sorry, please. Repeat, please.
Full time job and full time studying in the same time.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Oh, wow. So is that difficult?
very difficult. It's very hard.
I'm sure. Okay, so do you have time for English classes?
Actually, I intend to leave my job as an technician, as a technician. So I will have a lot of free time to improve my English and improve my studying skills too.
Okay, so I'm going to ask you some different questions to get a better idea of your level and your weaknesses. Okay.
Okay,
Um, and then I'm going to talk more about my method and answer any questions that you might have. Okay.
okay.
Um, okay. Why do you want to leave your job as an air conditioning technician? Why?
Because I love engineering and my dream, my child dream was to be an engineer. So I am now studying engineering and I struggle to reach this college with my job. But I intend to leave this job to improve my skills, my engineering skills, to get a good job and to be a good engineer.
Okay. What part of software engineering?
I'm programming in specific. I am Android developer. Do you know Android applications?
Yes, of course. I have a student working in that in Barcelona,
Oh.
developing games for Android.
Oh, no,
Okay.
I develop applications, not games. Games are more difficult than applications.
Oh, okay. Right.
Okay.
Right. So what attracts you to applications? Why applications?
Because I'm in the beginning, I want to learn some kind of programming that is easy to get it easily. That's all.
Right. Right. So developing apps is relatively easy.
Yeah.
Oh, really? Okay. Interesting. Okay. Right. Um, Another question, Islam. Are you married? Do you have kids?
No, I'm single.
You're single. Okay. So is it better to be single or to be married?
I don't know because I don't married before, but
Okay.
I think married to be married is better because there is a partner to share your life with. That's what I think. What what
Okay.
what about you? What do you think?
What? It depends who you are with. It depends who you are with. It depends on your partner,
Yeah.
you know?
Yes.
So, um, if your partner sucks,
That will be a very bad, very bad thing.
that that will be very bad.
Yeah.
Exactly. Um, so, if you have a really good partner, then probably is better, but
Yeah.
not always. Um, if I think also it's not necessary to get married. Obviously, some people get married for religious reasons, but us in Europe, I'm not in Europe at the moment, but us in Europe, we don't have such a big importance in actually being married to the person, to your partner. You can just live with that person, no problem. It's not very important. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. You are right.
Um, is it better to have kids or no kids?
Yes, I think it's better to have kids
Tell me why.
because you can learn. You should learn them good, and you should
Teach. We say
teach,
teach. Come on.
teach. Yeah, teach.
Yeah, you leave your genes.
Yeah, yeah. But you should teach them good things before you die.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Good. My opinion is that um, you should only have kids if you have the resources. If you have no resources, no way.
What is the meaning
Okay.
of resources?
Resources, sorry, that's Spanish. Resources like money, accommodation.
Ah, yeah.
Okay. So you need to be able to provide.
Yeah, yeah. I'm with you in this thing.
Okay.
Yeah.
And also I think there are too many people on this planet, so probably that's a reason not to have kids, you know.
Okay. Here in Egypt, there is a lot of people have a lot of kids.
There are, come on, there are a lot of people.
Yeah.
It's plural.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There are a lot of people have a lot of kids, but they don't have any money, and they let their kids live their life in the streets and taking drugs, and A lot of bad things. Yeah, you are right in this thing. You should.
Terrible.
Yeah. Terrible.
Terrible for me.
And for me
Okay.
too.